All right, let's dive right in. Today, we're going to take a tour of a power grid that's hidden right inside your own chest. It's this incredible, intricate network of nerves and blood vessels that powers your pectoral muscles. So let's get into it.
You know, every time you do a push-up, or maybe push open a heavy door, you feel your pecs firing up. But have you ever stopped to think what's really going on under the surface? It's so much more than just muscle. It's this high-speed, perfectly coordinated system of commands and fuel. So what's the secret sauce behind that push? Let's find out.
Okay, first stop on our tour, we're going to start with the most familiar landmarks, the muscles themselves. These are the engines, right? They're the ones doing all the heavy lifting.
So you've got two main players on the team here. First is the pectoralis major. That's the big one, the one you probably think of when you think pecs. It's this large, fan-shaped muscle that gives the chest its shape, and it provides all that power for pushing things and moving your arm across your body. But then, tucked right underneath, you have the pectoralis minor. It's a smaller, triangular muscle, but don't let its size fool you. It plays a vital role in keeping your shoulder blades stable.
But here's the thing. Thinking of these muscles as just the engine is a great start. But an engine is just a hunk of metal on its own, right? It can't do anything. It needs an electrical system to tell it when to fire, and it needs a fuel line to give it the energy to go. And that brings us to all the hidden wiring.
So now, we're entering the command and control center, the pectoral nerve network. This is basically the body's electrical grid, and it sends signals at lightning speed. It's pretty incredible. The key term we need to know here is innervation. Now, it sounds super technical, I know, but the concept is actually really simple. It's just the process of nerves connecting to a muscle to give it instructions. You can think of your muscle like a lamp, and the nerve is the power cord. If it's not plugged in, nothing's going to happen. Simple as that.
Now, check this out. This is the journey of a single command signal. It all starts as just a thought in your brain, like, I'm going to push this door. That thought zips down your spinal cord and hits this major nerve interchange in your shoulder called the brachial plexus. Think of it like a big, busy train station for nerves. From there, the specific pectoral nerves branch off like the final wires leading to your house, and boom, they deliver the signal that tells the muscle fibers to contract. And all of this happens in a tiny fraction of a second. It's mind-blowing.
And this breaks it down for us perfectly. We've basically got two specific command lines. You have the lateral pectoral nerve, which mostly handles the big pectoralis major. Then you've got the medial pectoral nerve, which is a bit of a multitasker. It services both the major and the minor. These two nerves are the direct physical link between your brain's intention and your chest's action.
Okay, so our engine is plugged in, but it still has no gas in the tank. It needs fuel. So that brings us to the third part of our tour, the vascular system.